Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of HTML not reading the CSS file properly. In order to do that, I have opened my project and here I have created a calculator, but the CSS styling is not read by HTML in order to transform my HTML page. Now, as you can see, we have specified the link inside the head section in HTML, but although that the HTML is not, the CSS is not applied inside my HTML. How to fix this? First of all, you have to specify the root of the document inside the head. Coming inside the link, coming to href, and here we have to specify the root by dot and slash, saving the file. And as you can see, the CSS is applying properly inside my HTML. This is the first issue that might occur inside your HTML project. What else can be? I'm going to create here a folder. I'm going to name it CSS. And now I'm going to change the location of a CSS file. Dragging inside my CSS folder, it says a notification that my CSS file is going to relocate. And here, once again, my CSS is not reading by HTML file in order to transform my page. How to fix this? We're coming inside the link once again. Inside we're coming to href, and here we're specifying the path of the CSS file. Clicking dot slash CSS folder and CSS styling inside here. Deleting this once again, the duplicate, pressing save. And as you can see, my HTML is reading properly my CSS file and transforming my HTML page. What else can occur in order to HTML not reading your CSS file properly? Maybe is the misspelling of the file. I'm going to delete the E letter from the file, pressing save. As you can see, I have misspelled my path of href. I have deleted the E letter from the file, and as you can see, once again, HTML is not reading properly my file in order to transform my page. Adding once again the E letter inside my CSS style file link and pressing save. And as you can see, my HTML once again reading properly the file and transforming my page. Those are the most common issues that may occur, that HTML is not reading properly your CSS file and in order to transform your page. So this video was like this. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future content. Thank you for watching me, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Until then, have a nice day. Bye bye.